all together. All together.
An actual B-Boy tutorial? It can't be. He doesn't do those anymore. Joke's on you, I do. Ha ha! What's up, everybody? This is Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew. Welcome to my crib. Yes, I'm in a condo, so I shouldn't be hitting the floor and making lots of noises because that's how I get evicted. Today I'll be teaching you guys 9 basic threads that I think will help you guys progress into learning harder and harder threads. So these are the 9 ones that I suggest drilling and adding into your movement to help you get better and better at threading. We're going to be doing 4 different levels of threads. We'll be doing on the floor threads, everything on this level. Then we're going to do everything in a squat or footwork position level, right here. Then we'll be doing it on a standing level, and then on an air level. At the end of this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the SPC cheat sheet. If you guys are curious what that is and just can't wait, then skip through to the end. But if not, we're going to learn all the movements now. Thread 1, the infinity thread. Start on your back, dead bug position, legs and hands both up. If you can't reach your toes, bend your legs in. Then right arm comes to our right foot, creating a hole and a connection. Then our left foot is going to come right through it. As soon as our left foot comes through, all we're going to do is with our left hand, grabbing our left foot. Once we've done that, we let go of our first foot, whoop, and then we bring our other foot through. And then all we do is repeat the process. Grab, thread, grab, thread, and thread, 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 thread.
All together.
Thread number 2, figure 4 thread. Why is it called figure 4? Because we're making a 4 shape with our body. Whoop, pop. Start with your feet extended forwards. Grab one foot, bring it over top of your other one in that figure 4 position. Foot landing just above your kneecap. First hand grabbing that cross foot in front. Back hand grabbing the ground, going down to your elbow. Then raise your bum off the ground, bend your front leg in. Then with your leg that you're grabbing, pull it up off your knee. Bring your knee to your chest of your extended leg, then bring it through, straight. Then all we're gonna do is bring it right back. Reverse, through, never letting go of our first foot. And thread, 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 thread. Thread number 3, the James Brown split thread, or JB split. Okay, go back to your figure 4 position, but this time, cross your foot underneath. Reverse figure 4 starting position. Then your left hand coming down, right hand grabbing your left foot again. Then we're gonna go down to our elbow as we did before. Move into frame a little bit. Then first thing we're doing, again, high knee that foot, pop. Then we're turning that knee sideways. Then our back foot that's grabbed and is ready for threading right now, we're gonna thread it all the way through. As it comes through, bend down and bring your back leg out. Take a nap, wake up, come back, reverse, knee coming through, back, sitting straight up in our reverse thread position. Hand down, knee up, twist, thread through, and up, and through. 1, 2, hit. First thread we're doing in our footwork is our 6-step thread. So start in a basic push-up position. Then you're gonna cross your foot in front just like you would in a regular 6-step. Then you're grabbing your foot. Make sure your knee's nice and close to your chest and your elbows wide so you can step through easily. Then you bring your back foot through, straight out in front. Then you just come into a crab position in front. So adjusted 6-step position. And then we're gonna cross our right foot behind our left, grabbing our heel. So again, make sure your chest is nice and close. Then you bring your front foot through your back foot. Back to our 6-step. One more time. Crossing your foot in front, knee nice and close, elbow wide, step through, center, cross behind, close, step, step. Always do both sides if you can. It always helps. Second footwork thread and 5th overall thread. Hand down, leg out in a kick out position, in your face position. Grabbing your front foot, if again you're not flexible enough, bend it in a little bit, doesn't matter. Then you're gonna make that hole, step your foot through it, Then all you're gonna do is push that foot back to your squat, keeping this front leg extended. Boom, just like that. Then we're switching hands, repeating the process. Grab your front foot, bend it in a little bit, twist your weight, turn over, create that circle, step in front, then your foot that you're touching, you push back to your squat. And step, thread, push. Step in, and faster. Alright, our third and last footwork progression thread is our knee thread. So for this one, I want you guys to try this little drill first. So all you're gonna do is bring one hand down, then bring one leg up in either Lilu or Michael Jackson position on your other leg. Boom. Just like that. So squat, windmill your hands, then bring your other leg up, MJ style, and flat. Switch, pop. Switch, and pop. Now, once you're here in your bent leg figure 4 position, you're gonna bring your front hand to your knee, just like this. This is the end part of the thread, okay? Then, just kick this in front, whoop. Grab your foot, bring it into your squat. Then, switch hands. And now for the actual thread. Fingertip, middle finger to the top of your knee, then your right leg or your left, depending which side you're doing, is gonna Michael Jackson up into that thread. So again, kicking, in, okay? Then you extend it, whoop, and squat. Windmill your hands, middle finger to knee, Michael Jackson your foot, bring it through, and connect. Switch, MJ, thread, kick, switch. All right, let's raise this bitch up. Ready? And up. Okay, we're gonna do a basic 2-step. Boom! Killed it. Then, first thread obviously is 2-step thread. We're gonna raise our toe off the ground, bring it up, pop. Then our right hand, if we're using our right foot, it's up to you, whichever side you want, man. You're gonna grab it, make that elbow go wide, then staying on your heel, flexing your foot. If you can, again, flexibility is key. Then you're gonna bring your back foot over top into the thread. Catch your balance. Just like we did on the ground, push that first foot back. Boom. In our 2-step position already. Grab, same foot, same arm always. Your toe, bring your heel up, step through. Push back, repeat. Toe, elbow wide, leaning onto your heel, up and back, thread, and step.
All together.
Quick little secret tip for y'all, if you guys want to make it even harder, all you gotta do, don't step back. It looks way better. Step, then right away, just like the infinity thread, we go straight through. And always step on your heels. Catch your balance, man! Always step on your heels so that you can go quicker. Alright, y'all, now that you got your big boy pants on.
I got big boy pants on!
Your guts out, you're feeling good, you just learned 6, right? 6, 7, 7 threads. We're gonna learn our 8. Woo! Breaking my floor, everybody. We're breaking my floor. It's okay. Do it for the vlogs. Do it for the tutorials. Do it for the people. All right, number 7. Knee thread. Turn to the side. High knee. Chest down. Hand straight down. Same arm, same leg. This hand's gonna connect to your kneecap. Always try to do your middle finger because it's longest, brah. So here, then bring the other knee close, then foot through. Bring your chest down so it gets easier. Thread and thread to the front. Thread, thread. Make sure your hand's always coming behind as your knee's coming up. As you put one foot down, you can bring the other one up. just like the infinity thread. If you're doing the drill, just get it comfortable, baby. Get it comfortable. If you want, you can push that knee down. Push that knee in. Push it through, baby. Push it through. Ah! Don't kick your fingers. I punched a tree with that finger. It's a long story. Ah, it hurt. Going to the last one. Still kind of hurts, but anyways. Last thread for y'all. Okay, jump thread. We're going to the air, baby. Airborne! Woo! So, what you're gonna do is reverse figure 4, like before. Hand coming down to your cross-legged foot. So that means if you're using your right hand, left foot. If you're using your left foot, right hand. So, going down, grabbing it. Firstly, all you're gonna do, holding that foot, jump up, just like that, okay? Once you're comfortable, like this, next step, jump, high knee, the foot that's on the ground. So, ha! Third step, chest comes down to your knee, same time, just like that, boom. Knee yourself, baby. Then, with your foot again, hit. Next step, the hard part, bring it all the way through. So first, get comfortable cheating it. So, jump, high knee, fake thread. Try that again. Jump, high knee, fake thread. Once you're feeling comfortable to go for it, you can even grab onto something. Find something around you, lean onto it, jump thread. All together, high knee, thread, in, same motion, okay? Jumping, threading. Last time, everybody. What is it? Ain't nothing but a bell ring. Hey. That's how I should start every tutorial. Or every pickup line. Hey girl, how you doing? Nice to see you too. If you guys need help getting the jump thread, hit me up down below. I can make a whole in-depth tutorial. I've taught it 100 times. I can teach it to you guys one more. So just let me know. Oh snap, everybody, it's time. It's the SPC cheat sheet time. So, what's SPC stand for? Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Because I'm about to tell you. So, speed is the first one. S stands for speed. P, power, second one. Third, cleanliness. You're not subscribed to Magnus.Magneto yet? What are you doing? Speed, power, cleanliness, okay? Those are the most important 3 aspects, in my opinion, that go into threading. If you have speed, and it looks powerful, and it's clean, you got yourself a good thread, baby. So, first one, speed. How do we get our threads faster? Body contortion, yes, that's what I call it. We contour our body to fit the shape that we're trying to go through as optimally as possible. So, if we're trying to do a hand length thread, and our legs are like this, it makes no sense. Because now our knees are wide, we're going through it awkwardly. So we're gonna ball up as much as we can, bring our arms as close as we can, so the thread becomes super easy, okay? Super simple. Same if we're down here, and we're trying to do a James Brown split thread. You don't wanna go foot through your circle first, you wanna go knee through the circle first. Because if you bring the biggest part of your body through the thread first, you have less space to go. So if you do high knee, all I have to do to finish the thread is like that. Now, also, if I twist my hips and I contort my body, I can also go even faster. So if I'm here, and I bring it through, and then I place like this, makes no sense. But if I twist my hips at the same time and bring my foot through, suddenly, it becomes super simple because my knee's already in the position it's gonna end up being in. P's super simple. I mean, you just go to the washroom and okay, I'm just kidding. So P is super simple because it's literally power. Just add more power to it. This concept is actually more hard to me than most other concepts because power never became natural to me. But literally, kick harder, flex harder, pull harder. Apply those to threading and your threading's gonna look way better. You literally push your foot into your hand. flexing your whole leg. Hold your leg with your arm, okay? Then when you're throwing, actually kick that leg up to your chest. Don't pull it through and easily do it. You want to keep this strong. Keep this strong, hold the ground, kick, kick. That's how it looks more powerful. You actually have to do that. A lot of people think, oh, thread, super chill, easy, lazy. Yes, by all means it can be, but also if you want to be better and faster and cleaner and all those things, add power in. Powerful thread it. Thread it, thread it, thread it. It's not about it being super chill and small. Try to add power in, flex, hold your foot, push your foot into your hand, hold it, feel that power connection. When that connection's there, your thread will look clean. If it's not there, it's not gonna look clean. That's why if I do my jump thread, hopefully you can see, the reason it looks strong and clean is because I'm high-kneeing this leg to my chest hard. And I'm jumping up, I'm putting power in, I'm squatting down, and my arm and my leg is working together as a team. Thread. Okay guys, I took a bit of a downer doggy. I'm good now, I'm chill. Cleanliness. To clean up your threading, two things I find are super key. One kind of goes with the body contortion, is elbow popping. Literally, popping your elbows outside of your body will make the thread cleaner because you apply more space to where you're trying to thread. So if I'm here and my arm's like this, ow, it's gonna hurt. But if I push my elbow up and out and I bend my body in, then that's gonna become cleaner. So when I'm trying to do a thread anywhere, if my arm's straight next to my leg, it's way harder. But if I pop that elbow out, it instantly becomes easier. Okay, pop your elbows. Pop them out, and then all your threading becomes easier because you have more space to go through. So really play with that elbow pop. Secondly, going with that is hand placement. Be aware of where you're placing your hands, okay? And your fingers, let them flow. As long as there's connection there, your thread is still complete. You're only breaking your thread if your hand actually leaves your foot. But no one ever talks about moving it around the foot. Haha. Let's apply that to an infinity James Brown split thread, which looks like this. Okay, so the reason that looks clean, hopefully it did, is because I'm tracing my hand each time over my knee. So if my hand's moving here, my foot's moving here, even if I'm letting go of it, it's still tracing it, okay? Imagine there's a magnet attached from your hand to your foot. Wherever your foot goes, your hand goes, even if it lets go. Just really be aware of where you're placing your hand. People don't talk about it enough, and I think it's so relevant. Because if you always place your hand up here, or here, or here, or here, or grab your ankle, like wherever you're grabbing, really try to put it to the optimal angle of where your thread's trying to land. Because if you're trying to do a thread where you're going like here, and your hand is like up here, it makes no sense. Go to the top, bring that elbow out. Bring his little fingers onto it to where you can hold it tightly, but also have your elbow as far as possible away. Because then you're gonna be able to go as fast as you can. Always apply as much room as possible. Make sure your fingers are in the optimal position to hit the thread. Optimal position to hit the thread, okay? Okay? Ha! So I know there's lots of overlap on those concepts, but literally I apply those concepts to everything I do threading wise. So that's how you take any basic thread and you make it advanced, because it's not the movement that makes it advanced, it's the feel behind the movement. And lastly, yes, flexibility is huge with threading. So if you want to do a thread like this, and you're not able to bring this leg all the way up, then you're probably not going to be able to do it. So you're just going to have to find a variation. So if you guys need help with stretching, I'll link a tutorial that I made about stretching at the end of the video. Thanks again for watching. As always, guys, I hope this helps some of you guys out. Please let me know. Comment, give me your feedback. I'm always loving your connection to me because I'm so alone. Thank you so much. Much love. Subscribe, like, comment. You know what it is. You know what to do. Peace.